why I started recording. I don't know why, but it just happened according to what happened lately. Seems like the ceasefire means stop the fire, right? But I'm really far away from the reality person in certain way in order to protect my own energy. But this morning since 5 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m. So Iran just fired missiles 3 times already. So seems like it's a very conflict truth between the global people. What my hometown people said, oh, the world should stop, and when I will come back to Taiwan, till what I experienced this morning. And everybody didn't get a good sleep, enough sleep, obviously. So my approach is I refuse to be fingered by Iran's the finger pushed the button to fire the missiles to Israel. So I just maintain my own rhythm, have a walk, and continually have my day, not reacting from their missile phase pattern. And that's my way to support myself and the world. Have a nice day. Yom Tov.